To the next examples, we are going to be using the multiplication law, the division law, and the power law in order to write certain expressions as single logarithms. So for part A, we've got log base 3 6 plus log base 3 7. Key thing to notice, both of the bases are the same. Therefore, we can use one of those three laws. Well, for this one, we are going to use the multiplication law because we've got two logs with the same base added together. So this one becomes log base 3 and then in brackets 6 times 7 because we're using the multiplication law, and it simplifies to log base 3 42. Okay, part B, again, the bases are both 2 in this case, so we can use the division law because we have a subtraction. So this will become log base 2, and then in brackets, and personally I like to write it as a fraction. Just helps me to see if I can simplify anything, which in this case of course we can. And it becomes log base 2 5. Okay, part C, we've got two steps with this and two laws that we're going to use. Again, we've got the same basis, but before we can do anything involving the multiplication law, we want to use the power law in order to simplify these numbers at the front. So we can rewrite it log base 5 3, and you bring that number up as a power of 3. So it becomes 3 squared, and that is plus log base 5 2, and again we bring that number 3 up as a power of 2. So of course that is log base 5 9 plus log base 5 8, and now we can apply the multiplication law. It becomes log base 5 9 times 8, which is 72. Okay. Final one involves a subtraction, so we know we're going to be looking at the division law, but we've also got this number 4 in the front of log base 10 half, so we can be using the power law as well. So let's sort that out. They're both the same base of 10. If you didn't write that 10 as a base and you just put log 3, it would also be equivalent to log base 10 3. Okay, so that's using the power law. Okay, and then that will become 1 over 16. So then now we apply the division law. Put this in brackets with a division sign. So you can see that I'm dividing by 1 over 16. And 3 divided by 1 over 16, same as 3 times by 16. So we get log base 10 48. And just to explain what I was saying earlier, if you also write log 48, that is the same, okay? Because the base there would also be 10. And you'll see that on your calculator as well.